What's going on, guys? My name is Chris and I have my partner here, Cole. He's here to help me today. We are going to replace the lights to this trailer. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how this is done. This is a very easy process, and Cole and I are going to show you exactly how this is all done. Okay, so for safety measures, you're going to want to block your wheel so it does not roll on you. So very simple, just block the wheel just like that so it doesn't go down a hill or anything like that. We're going to do the other one too. All right, so this is one of the lights that we are going to replace. We're going to replace both of them. That one's fine, but I kind of like to keep everything the same. So we're going to replace this one and the other one. Obviously, you see the lens is broken. So we are going to grab a socket set and remove them 2 bolts that are right on the back. All right, so here is the back of the tail light. It's just 2 nuts that we're going to loosen up, and this whole entire light is going to remove itself. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how this is done. And just like that, there is the light. It is removed. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to cut this wire right here, and we're going to get a new lens. All right, my partner Cole's going to cut the cord. Go ahead. Squeeze.
It's not coming.
Good, do another cut. Open it up. There we go. All right, so we're going to throw that away. And here is our new one that we're going to put in. All right, so when you're making up your connections, you're going to want to peel back the wiring so you can get to the copper. You want to get yourself a nice pair of wire strippers, and that's exactly what it should look like. Now this is stranded wire, which is easy to work with. You see how we just removed that. And now we're just going to tie these together, and then we are going to mount this, the new light, and rewire it. All right, so here we are with our new head. We're going to put it on. Pretty simple. Now we're going to get our 2 nuts and put them back in there. And then we are going to tighten it. Okay, so we have 2 colors of wiring here. We have 2 yellows and we have 3 browns. So pretty self-explanatory. We're going to tie in the browns together, and then we're going to tie in the yellows together. All right, so all right, also too, I recommend maybe putting a little bit of tape around your wire nuts. So I'm just going to pull a little piece of tape off, and I'm going to wrap it around nice and neat and tightly around the wire so no moisture or water kind of gets on the inside. All right, so there it is. All right, so we got the one side done now. Now we're going to go on to the other. All right, now let's cut the second one. So here is our second head that we are going to put on. Now, like I said, now you get your threads. They go directly in the trailer and they sit in there just like that. We're going to tighten this back up. All right, so just like on the other side, we are going to just cut back some of this wiring. And what I like about these lights are it has the side too. Not all of them have the side, they just have the back. So the side is definitely recommended when it comes to a trailer, especially to this size. Now what we need to do is we got to test it out. All right guys, so this is super simple and easy for anyone to do. As long as you follow this video step by step, you'll have the success that you need to get your trailer up and running to replace your brake lights. All right, now that we have everything hooked up, now we need to test it. All right, so everything seems to be working. I have my flashers on just to show that it is working. And you got your side, which is nice. So that was a success. All right guys, thanks for watching. If you want to purchase these parts, you can get everything in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button because we come out with DIYs on a daily basis. Again, guys, my name is Chris and this is my partner Cole. Again, this is Fully Remote Lifestyle. Thanks for watching.